Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. There are two slight risk areas for tomorrow. One covering southeastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, the very far extreme northwestern tip of Oklahoma, and the very far extreme northeastern tip of New Mexico. And the other slight tomorrow covers south central Michigan, eastern Indiana, western Ohio, northeastern Kentucky, southwestern West Virginia, southwestern Virginia, far northeastern corner of Tennessee, parts of North Carolina, and northern South Carolina. Cities in tomorrow's slights include Columbus, Ohio, Charlotte, North Carolina, Cincinnati, Ohio, Aurora, Colorado, and Greensboro, North Carolina. And there's a margin with tomorrow covering the far southwestern corner of South Dakota, parts of southeast Wyoming, central Colorado, a little bit northeast New Mexico, parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, most of Nebraska, most of Kansas, southern Iowa, northern Missouri, parts of Illinois, parts of Michigan, parts of Indiana, parts of Ohio, parts of Kentucky, parts of West Virginia, parts of Virginia, eastern Tennessee, parts of North Carolina, most of South Carolina, most of Georgia, southeastern Alabama, and a little bit of the Florida Panhandle. Cities in tomorrow's margin will include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Denver, Colorado, Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, and Omaha, Nebraska. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat. There is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow covering southern Michigan, northeastern Indiana, and much of Ohio. The 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Columbus, Ohio, Toledo, Ohio, Fort Wayne, Indiana, Dayton, Ohio, and South Bend, Indiana. Going to tomorrow's tornado wind threat now. There are two areas where we have 15% wind risk areas for tomorrow. One covering southeastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, eastern northwestern corner of Oklahoma, and eastern northeastern corner of New Mexico. And the other 15% tomorrow covers south central Michigan, eastern Indiana, western Ohio, northeastern Kentucky, southwestern West Virginia, southwestern Virginia, far northeastern Tennessee, parts of North Carolina, and northern South Carolina. The 15% wind risk areas tomorrow include Columbus, Ohio, Charlotte, North Carolina, Cincinnati, Ohio, Aurora, Colorado, and Greensboro, North Carolina. And there's a 5% wind risk area tomorrow covering extreme southwestern South Dakota, southeast Wyoming, central Colorado, a tiny bit of northeast New Mexico, parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, most of Nebraska, far southwestern South Dakota, most of Kansas, southern Iowa, northern Missouri, parts of Illinois, parts of Michigan, parts of Indiana, parts of Ohio, parts of West Virginia, parts of Kentucky, parts of Virginia, eastern Tennessee, parts of North Carolina, much of South Carolina, much of Georgia, southeastern Alabama, and parts of the Florida Panhandle. The 5% wind risk area tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Denver, Colorado, Kansas City, Missouri, and Omaha, Nebraska. And now for tomorrow's hail threat. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow covering west central Nebraska, far southeastern Wyoming, and parts of Colorado. The 15% hail risk area for tomorrow includes Scottsbluff, Nebraska, Sterling, Colorado, Fort Morgan, Colorado, Lamar, Colorado, and Torrington, Wyoming. And we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow covering parts of southeast Wyoming, parts of the far southwestern corner of South Dakota, western Nebraska, parts of Colorado, western Kansas, the western part of the Oklahoma Panhandle, and far northeastern New Mexico. The 5% hail risk area tomorrow includes Denver, Colorado, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Lakewood, Colorado, and Fort Collins, Colorado. Alright, so in summary, strong to severe storms are possible on Saturday from the central high plains eastward into parts of the Midwest, Ohio Valley. southern and central Appalachians, and Carolinas. So that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Whether you're in the slight or the marginal, since you never know what slight and marginal can pull off sometimes. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Take care.